In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear speed sensor on an Acura MDX located behind the rear wheels. Let's get started. Here on the left rear of the vehicle, we're going to remove the tire using a 19mm socket. Remove the tire. Moving on to the back of the rotor, right next to the tow arm, we're going to be removing this 10mm bolt using a 10mm socket. Take it off. Grabbing a pair of needle nose pliers, we're going to wiggle the sensor out. As you wiggle it, pull backwards. Next up, we're gonna take it off from this grommet. Just slide it out. Remove it from this clip. Do the same on this clip. Moving on to the connector, we're gonna use a pry bar and take the clip off. When you remove this clip, it's gonna be very brittle, but your new sensor should come with a new one. I should be able to unplug it here. You should see it, you see it? Yep. Okay. So now we're ready to unplug the old sensor. Squeeze the tab and pull it out. Now we're ready to install the new one. We're gonna somehow route it the same way that the old one came out. Clip it into place. And now plug it in. Make sure you hear a click. Slide the new clip on. Slide this clip on. Slide it on this clip. And before we slide the new sensor into place, I like to put a little bit of silicone to ease the installation. Put some on it and just smear it all over it. Slide it into place and align the hole for the bolt. Start the bolt by hand. Snug it up. And now we're ready to torque it down to 6.9 foot-pounds. Install the tire and start your lug nuts by hand. Snug the lug nuts. Here we're gonna torque down our wheel to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.